Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use sticky notes, which is basically an app that where you can make your notes on Windows 10, and I think you can do it on a phone too. I don't know, but yeah, it's kind of like Google Keeper, but it's meant the sticky note you use in real life, very similar to that. Okay, so how to use sticky notes on Windows 10. You could if you don't have the sticky notes app, you can always go to the store and you can search sticky notes. Then this is basically Microsoft Sticky Notes. So this is the full name. It's Microsoft Sticky Notes is basically what I have. It came with my computer. Okay, so here's the app, and yeah. This will show how to use the app. We'll see the settings. So first, to go on the settings, you just click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Then you'll see all this settings that you could change. So confirm before deleting. I'm gonna write so you're gonna do this one. I don't know what this means, so I'm just gonna not do it. I think it's a beta mode. I don't know, like a beta mode, but confirm before deleting. So what this does is that when you use the menu to delete it, it's gonna show a confirmation before, and then you'll have to click on delete if you want to delete it. And so if you do not want the confirmation, you can just click on that to turn it off. And the color, which changes this, and change it to light, dark, or Windows mode. So if your PC is at dark mode and you have this option selected, this app is going to be in dark mode. And then you can sync now. It syncs with my email, which I've hidden over here. So yeah, super simple. Get this phone out there. You can change whatever settings you need and want, of course, because it's yours if you download it on your computer. Okay, so now I'll open the app. I basically really like the search thing on Windows 10. To just do it, there you have the start menu button on your keyboard, or you could just basically click here and then type sticky notes. For some people, it's just going to open a note. It's just going to open it like this. So when this happens, you can to see the whole list, you just click here and you click on the notes list. I suggest you make it smaller like this. There, looks better. So as you can see, you can search it, and it's basic. Here's the settings we talked about there. I'm not going to click on it. If you want to see it, you can download the app and click on the settings gear to test out the settings. On this plus button, when you click on it, it makes a new note. So we're going to click on this plus button, and it leads you to a new window, which is super cool. It doesn't do it in the exact one window. So over here you have basic stuff. You can upload a photo, as you can see, of some. I am gonna upload this, and it shows my star. So let me write this. Okay, so I just typed it in bold. Now I'll type it in normal. You can also use Control B and those shortcuts, you know, like for bold is Control B, for italic is Control I, and for underline is Control U. So no. There's no formatting, and this, I don't know about this shortcut. It's different on the apps, but many apps has it, but it's not used too often. We did bold, you'll do italic, italics, and underline. Strike through. You can also highlight stuff if you want to change it, and then use it like this. All. So this is pretty good, even though you cannot size text. You can also, like, one feature I really like about it is that you can screenshot but not save it to the computer. I always use this feature. So just right click. If you should have the screen. If you have the screen snip here, you should really add that. I really suggest you add that. You can use this. You can screenshot anything. Then you can, and then it basically is going to show a notification over here. You can just paste it. There, I pasted it. I pasted 2 photos. So with that, you could use this feature to make a title for this note. And this is what you cannot really do very easily on a real life note, but you can do it easily on here. If you'd like to upload it using the files, just click on the photo icon, and then you'll see your camera roll. You can use it from there if you use your computer camera to do it, or if you use Windows print screen. And yeah, so let's see this feature over here. It does automatic bullets, so you can have. So this can be a list, just like what I did here on the book that I am reading. Take some time to open it up. There we go. Sometimes, I don't know if this happened for you, but it's just happening. Anyway, so I use this bullet feature a lot in this because it's very helpful. This is my example of it. So sizing text is not really necessary for me because I can make it bold, I can make it underline, which is the main thing. I think you can also put links here. I don't know, I think you just have to paste it. I don't know if links is gonna work for you. But you can always just highlight it and copy and paste it. If you want to know how to copy and paste, just put it in the comment section, because copy and pasting is super easy. And yeah, this is very easy, which makes this short. Well, another thing is that you could also make another note over here. You could delete it from here. I have the confirmation enabled, so you're gonna see this. And also make it bigger. Make it a bigger size note. Or make it wiggly like this. You can also change the color, so you don't have to buy separate colors. This blue looks really nice. This is, I don't know if they used this in the dark mode. I think they do darker than this in the dark mode. But yeah. Then when you have it, I think it's gonna go. Yeah, I just opened this. So it goes on the order that you open it, which should be, yeah. And then to delete it, you can use delete note. I'm gonna delete it, and there. Super easy app, and it's not a hassle. So hopefully this video helped you out on using the app. You should use the app. It's a very good app. Hopefully this video helped you out. See you on the next video.